Okay, Chapter 13, Solids and Modern Materials. And just a warning, some of this chapter I'm going to go through very, very quickly and just recommend that you read the textbook. This first section talks about Friday night experiments, and it highlights an interesting aspect of science, which I do want to take time to talk about. Scientists typically have an area of research that they're working on, and they get funding for it, and that's what they work on all the time. But then we also have these other ideas like, what would happen if I did this? Or I wonder how this works. And it's always good to have some time set aside to explore those lateral ideas. And so Geim and Novoselov actually won the Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of graphene. And this happened during what they called Friday night experiments, where just messing around in the lab, seeing what would happen. Science just for fun, to see what would happen. And so most of what they did there, complete failure. Nothing, it's like, well, that didn't work, or that was a dumb idea. But every once in a while, something brilliant happens.